Hi, my name's Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. This is another video in a series on top private equity firms in the USA, and this video focuses on New Mountain Capital in New York. Just a little bit about myself. I'm a fundraising strategist with 15 years of experience in high-end real estate sales and marketing, spanning Canada, Dubai, and the Caribbean. Over the past 2 years on Fiverr, I've assisted over 300 clients with startup fundraising, pitch deck refinement, investor outreach strategies, and custom investor databases. In addition, I serve as an advisor to a New York-based private equity firm with capital commitments of $10 billion. This capital is strategically allocated to projects across the Middle East, Asia, and the USA, with a focus on income-generating real estate. The firm offers both debt and equity financing with investment sizes ranging from $10 million to $100 million per project. If you want more information about my services, just click the Fiverr link below. So, a review of my services. I provide clients with pitch deck reviews, pitch deck strategy, investor targeting strategy, investor targeting with sector databases, and custom fundraising initiatives. This video highlights New Mountain Capital in New York, and they are one of over 125 key private equity contacts in my investor database. Company overview. New Mountain Capital is a private equity firm that focuses on leveraged buyouts and growth capital investments in middle market companies. They target businesses in sectors such as healthcare, software, business services, information and data, logistics, specialty chemicals, federal services, financial services, and environmental services. New Mountain Capital emphasizes intensive fundamental research and growth-oriented value-add investment approach, aiming to build lasting relationships and provide strategic support to help companies grow and succeed. Their company focus, investing in middle market businesses. New Mountain Capital targets middle market companies primarily in North America, focusing on sectors such as healthcare, software, business services, logistics, specialty chemicals, and financial services. Value-add growth investments. They emphasize growth-oriented value-add investments through intensive fundamental research and enhancing business operations. And strategic partnerships. New Mountain Capital establishes aligned partnerships with management teams emphasizing collaborative growth, operational excellence, and long-term value creation for all stakeholders. Key numbers. Company was founded in 1999, and they have $55 billion assets under management, and they've raised over $40 billion in capital. So my New York private equity database includes 125 key firms, including their names, websites, and company emails. It also provides data on the year established, total and current portfolio, number of investments in the past 3 years, and the most common acquisition types. So who is this database suited for? Well, growth capital seekers, number one, companies aiming for expansion and market penetration. Entrepreneurs and startups, those are founders seeking funding and strategic mentorship. Corporate development teams, so that's organizations pursuing mergers and strategic partnerships. Real estate developers, projects requiring significant investment for development. And institutional investors, those are organizations collaborating for substantial investment opportunities. So what do these private equity firms specialize in? One, divestitures, secondary buyouts, venture capital, growth capital, buyouts, and recapitalization. So this is the ideal database for corporate transactions. This database is invaluable for firms seeking to merge with or acquire other businesses, providing comprehensive insights into potential targets, market conditions, and strategic considerations. It also supports firms looking to raise capital, enhancing strategic decision-making and driving successful outcomes in corporate transactions and financial endeavors. So let's take a look at the database. So now we're over on the spreadsheet part, and just a quick review. So this is the New York private equity database. Let's scroll down to the bottom. You can see it has about 132 contacts. This is a refined database, and it has been recently cleaned. This was a private project for a client of mine that was looking to raise capital, and they really wanted to focus on New York. Most of the top private equity groups in the USA are based there, so it just makes it an easy target for them. If I go across the right hand side here, you're going to see we have the firm's name, their address. Of course, they're all in New York, and they have websites. We have the email. Now the emails are almost always going to be the corporate email, such as info at, contact at, and then it's up to the client to do further digging into who to contact. And because this database is for a client that just wanted to make initial contact, that was not important for us to dig down into individual people, because they will change over time, and it's best to just use a broad approach. But this is probably the most refined list of the New York private equity groups, and in 2025 I'm actually going to be highlighting each of these firms and getting more information for them and onto separate videos. But it is a large group of private equity firms that have invested in a large amount of companies over the past few years. My databases include over 250,000 contacts. That includes private equity, venture capital, angel groups, family investment offices, investment banks, and more. Do you need help with your fundraising? Click my Fiverr link below for more information. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.